Hi. Do you have a house that you need to sell quickly? Maybe your listing's expired, or maybe you've been transferred or downsized, have an estate sale. Could be that the family's growing, and could be that the house is in foreclosure. Maybe you just have a vacant house you want to get rid of, or maybe the home's 100% financed and maybe got a home that needs repairs and you want to move on. These are common problems that can happen to anybody. Well, we buy homes from people in situations just like you, and we buy them in any area, in any condition. We are not realtors, but we are investors, and we want to buy your home. Rarely do problems like this just go away on their own. So if you're interested in selling your home, just go to the website on this page and get signed up. Maybe we can do some business and help you out. Thanks a lot.